Hey folks, Aaron here with Arkto Campers. In this video, we're going to show you how the Arkto Campers G12 sleeps up to 5 people. Let's head on inside. So as some of you might know, we have an optional upgrade in the G12, which is our bunk bed. So this is it set up here in one of the trailers. And what it comprises of is, of course, the bunk itself, a ladder underneath, and I'll get to showing you the guard so the child doesn't roll out of bed while they're sleeping, and a support leg. The bunk itself is actually removable. So this is tilted up right now in what we call like daytime mode. So it still allows you to sit down on the bench and have clearance above your head. And of course, access to the toilet. But we have developed a system where it's actually a T-handle here, where you pull the handle and it releases the hinges that are attaching to the wall of the trailer. And you're actually able to lift out the bunk bed and carry it outside. So if you choose not to have the bunk in a given trip, you can go ahead and take it out of the trailer. So why don't we go ahead and bring down the bunk bed and get everything set up for sleeping 5 people. We have a support leg on the left here. You can just remove. The bunk itself is actually supported on the right side by a heavy-duty gas strut. So we can just put this aside. And we got the other support leg. This is a fixed one that goes into place, and we'll just nest it between the mattress and the bed here while pulling down. And a locking pin on the right-hand side to lock the bunk into place so it doesn't move up or down while you're set up at camp. We'll go ahead and release the locking pin for the ladder, and we can pull this out and down. And so the beauty of this is that we can actually set up the ladder either on the right side of the bunk or on the left side, depending if you had the 4th sleeper set up here. And the divider, of course, will be able to move around with that. So in this case, since we're setting up for the 4th sleeper, we can go ahead and install the ladder on the right-hand side. And so there it sits. And then bring on over our divider. And this actually just nests in with little fingers that hook in to the bunk. And you kind of just guide it in there. And then it's just a screw to affix it in place. So now it's set up. You can see the bunk is fully set up. We have the ladder for them to climb up and a little bit of a divider here so the children don't roll out. And as I said before, you can bring the ladder over to the left-hand side, which also gives easier access up to the queen-size bed up here for the parents or whomever would like to climb up. So with the 4th sleeper, we've had it in a previous video, but just to run through it again, we have these channel bars that come with the trailer, and you simply mount them on the tabs that are hanging out from the seat and the bench. You bring your dinette table and drop it on top, keeping in mind that the vertical position or post for the dinette table actually can just stay where it is, and it makes good clearance here. We have a filler panel everyone gets, and then the spare 2 cushions. So there we go. You're gonna have one child there, so this is 6'10" long. You could have another child here. This is 6'4" long, and the bunk up top, which is actually 5'7" long and 25 inches wide. 1, 2, 3, and of course, 2 people up on the queen size mattress. So if you have any questions about this optional upgrade, feel free to let us know. You can reach out to us at admin@arktocampers.com, or of course on social media at Arkto Campers. Thanks. Have a great day.